Welcome to your daily trending news. First up, tech giants are gearing up for the Consumer Electronics Show 2024 in Las Vegas. Expect game-changing innovations in AI, robotics, and electric vehicles. Stay tuned for the highlights. In other news, New York City braces for an intense winter storm. Authorities warn of heavy snowfall, urging residents to stay indoors and stay safe. And on the entertainment front, Beyoncé's latest tour announcement has fans buzzing, with tickets selling out in minutes. Could this be her biggest tour yet? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your daily dose of trending updates. See you tomorrow.